guys, why do I feel like we're always in the car when we're vlogging? Do we live in the car? Many people think we're homeless, you know, because we're always in the car.
That just might be the case.
Yeah, so guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas day 3, yes. And you guys would have already seen, and if you have not yet checked it out, you have to check out yesterday's Vlogmas. You have to see the sequence, you know, of the events, the progression of things. Yesterday we were at the event, and this morning it was a rough one. We woke up again super early because we gotta do what we gotta do, right?
Right.
I had a client, and then now we have to be on the road running errands, shipping off products and stuff, and so it is what it is. I actually feel hungover, to be honest with you.
Hungover what?
Yeah, no, I was tempted to drink some coffee because I feel super duper hungover, but hey, we're pushing through.
Buy some in the gas station.
Like what?
Coffee.
You like their coffee? They make good coffee? Or any gas station coffee?
I don't know. I have $3, that's why.
I have my own coffee. You want me to make some for you?
Your coffee, I got. We don't have the almond milk, and that's the next thing.
We don't have creamer?
We have creamer, yes. Me drink some coffee, man. All it be ice or whatever, it no matter.
So guys, we are heading to
the seatbelt.
Yeah, put it on. It's yours.
Eventually.
We're heading to the supermarket, and so we're gonna do a mini haul once we get home. I will show you what our a typical grocery day is looking for us these days. Looking like for us these days. Because it be looking different.
Right.
Much different.
Right.
Yeah, so we're so strong all get. See the background on the back? Guys, if you have a car, you can use this in a car too, or only in SUVs?
Anything.
This grocery is a grocery caddy, or I don't know.
A caddy.
It's a 3-compartment caddy that is a lifesaver, especially when you go to stores like Aldi. Aldi don't give bags. BJ's don't give bags. Sam's and all of them, they don't give bags. So it's convenient when you have one of these thingies. And I think we got it from BJ's, if I'm not mistaken.
From Sam's. Oh,
from Sam's, yeah. So it actually helps you to organize, and it came with that one in the corner, that red zipped up cooler.
That's the cooler, man.
Yeah, so if you have like drinks or fruits or stuff that you want to keep cold, you can put them in that. So we heading home, you guys.
We're heading to the store.
No, we're heading to the store, yeah. What am I telling about the hangover?
So this young lady just did her good deed for today. That lady there. She was exiting the store, and there was a little old lady who was fighting with her cart. And she just turned back, stopped videotaping me because she was just lusting after me with the video camera. And she just stopped and said, "You need help?" And I mean, I felt so proud of her. I was on my way to do the same thing. I was just calling to her to say, "See, take the card and let me go help the lady," and she just turned around and did it. So I'm so proud of her, that lady there. And that's why she's my girlfriend. Yeah. So Merry Christmas, Vlogmas.
Day 3.
From down there, so.
You proudy? Greedy could not wait. Watch him. After I say I come to the hall, him start eat grapefruit already. Wow. So since we're on this topic of grapefruit, we got 2 grapefruit. Grapefruit is a staple in our household whenever it's grapefruit season. Yeah, right. Because we absolutely love grapefruit.
And hold on, how you know that it's grapefruit season? When the price go down, ish. If when the price go down, it means it's a surplus. That means it's season. You know. But when the price
Right,
is
7.
high,
Yeah, remember we used to see them for some ridiculous price. Them all want $2 or something for
and when
one.
them sweet,
Right.
when grapefruit season, grapefruit sweet. When it's not grapefruit season, them sour.
Grapefruit 101, you guys. Hey! Stop. Anyway, 2 grapefruit. Oh, and we got 2 flowers, 2 poinsettias to put on the front at the front, right? But don't we need pots? Or it must go
You know
stay?
what I'm not pay attention?
All right. So again, Aldi corn. We have some kiwi. These were super cheap, $1.99. This was $3 something. How much was the grapefruit pea?
$3 something.
$3 something per bag for the grapefruit. We have lemon, which is also a staple every single day in our tea or in our, lemon water or whatever.
Or beverage.
Or beverage. You can't sound like daddy. We have blueberries. Love blueberries. Awesome antioxidant. And you guys, look. That's everything good is female. Guys, look at this cucumber, 95 cents. If you go Publix now, the smaller version to this is like $3 something. So sometimes you get some steals at Aldi.
What name they need for peel, the pineapple?
Peel, no?
My Anna hurt me like this.
Mine too.
No man,
No, I'm not doing that.
Babes, my Anna hurt my body, man. My foot hurt me. I'm inside.
3 cucumber. And he got mangoes. Don't ask me why I buy the mangoes ripe already and no say by tomorrow morning they are of no use. Usually when you buy these bad getting mangoes, you buy them green or turn because they actually go bad sometimes before them even ripe. So babe, make sure you say you have to cut up these immediately.
My Anna hurt my foot on me.
How much for these?
The mango?
Yeah.
60 cents.
For one? Yeah. And we have some romaine lettuce. And that's it. Therein goes our our haul. And yeah, usually when we go all day, trust me, we go ham. Usually, especially now holiday time, especially now, we would be getting all of the nice snickerdoodles, cookies, and the cinnamon this and the cinnamon that, and it's just a whole vibe in Aldi. If you've never shopped in Aldi, Aldi has some bomb stuff. And so, yeah, but because we're trying to hold it, we're trying to work with the health flow. So we're trying to get, things that are better for us. So that's what we did. We trying, guys. We trying. It's rough, but we out here trying. Right? So, yeah, so that is our haul. Oh, we're going to go ahead now and make a light dinner. He's gonna be making a slaw. You're quiet. Silence mean consent. Silence mean consent. He's gonna be making a slaw that he's inspired to make. Is your inspiration, so you have to make it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna try to show you guys the slaw, you guys. The slaw. Yes. Oh, guys. How could I forget? Look where I'm gonna pick up. Look where hubby pick up. The master bar humbug of the year, who normally not into the foolishness with Christmas and wearing Christmas pajamas. I am the one who always, try to do that type of stuff, and he's always very resistant to it. But he actually saw this in the store, picked it up, and said he wants it.
I like what it says.
What is it?
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Oh, you just want to be rude.
Mm-hmm.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. The quintessential Home Alone line. That line from Home Alone. Yeah. So guys, it is nice. And this was only for $14.99. And it has the pants and the top. Yeah. But I'm super proud that you actually bought a Christmas inspired outfit.
It's not good.
Hmm?
It's ugly.
You know, ugly. May I pull it? He, come season up the salad now. They return to season up the salad. So I'm gonna cut up everything, guys. Regular cabbage, Brussels sprouts, carrots, and some red onions. And all he's gonna come do now is add his magic touch to it to take it to another level.
Not adding nothing.
Take it over the top. Yeah, I'll make it gourmet.
Alright, so we're gonna use some poppy seed dressing because it's not that big of a deal. And we're just gonna pretty much add some of the poppy seed dressing to our container like so. And then we drizzle some olive oil on top of that like so. And normally we'd use lime and vinegar and all sort of stuff, but I don't really want the excessive amount of sugar. And the poppy seed, something you have to have basically, you know, about maybe 9 grams of sugar. That is a lot.
Poppy seed? No, sir.
And then squeeze some lime and just mix it in, mix it up. And it's gonna be like a little quick dressing. Not it I don't want it too too saturated on the vegetable.
Thank you.
May no move. And the lime will make it nice and tangy, you know. And then you're basically just gonna pour all of this on top of this. And then I have one more thing that I'm gonna do. Sorry guys. And the camera now work out right here. So. Well, two more things. 2 more ingredients is gonna be added. You know. If I can find them, that is. So I'm just gonna try to stir this in. Get your ingredients all mixed in. It's gonna take a little time because, as I said, I'm not using the ingredients in a heavy way. Just add a little flavor. So I'm gonna mix this in and then add the last 2 ingredients. All right. So my stuff is basically mixed in, and now I'm gonna add my 3 ingredients. It's not supposed to be 3, but I just add them because, you know. The first one is I have some sesame seeds, so I'm gonna add some sesame seeds. All right, and for the most part, you can add this to your plate when you share the actual thing, you know. But me just add it right now for sure. Yeah. So you just add some sesame seeds to that, and the wifey said, if I'm gonna add sesame seed, why not go all out and add some black one too? So here we go. We have black sesame seeds. Look at that. Look at that, guys.
Now look at this.
So we're just gonna add some black sesame seed and make the salad go pop goes the weasel, right? And sesame seed is super duper good for you, so you know, high in fiber and other malicious things. Can I say malicious on your vlog? And the last thing I'm gonna add is one of my favorite things, and it is
nuts.
What? No, say almonds. It's dry, unsalted, dry toasted, slivered almonds. And you just add your slivered almonds and you get this beautiful Cabbage Crunch Slaw. And I saw the inspiration from this in Whole Foods. And guess what? At $8.99 a pound for them something. So with the in the Whole Foods. So with the $8.99, I buy cabbage, sesame seed, carrot, and slivered almonds.
Yeah, I have enough to make it enough time.
And I have enough to make 2 bowls or 3 bowls of this beautiful slaw. Alright, so I'm done play with it now, guys. I'm done. That's it. I am walking away from this vlog. I shall no longer be called upon to do anything more. Bye. Have a nice time.
So guys, it's kind of late-ish and hubby is not in the habit of drinking sweet stuff, especially these hours of the night. It's not too late. It's after, wow, at 4 something be?
I told you.
So why it seems like it's so late?
As them change the time.
Okay. Yeah, but it's still relatively late compared to what time we normally eat. So we're just making a little drink. It's Saturday night. Ooh.
Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening.
Yeah, we still have it at night. So, all right. So we're gonna make a little something, low sugar style, but still with a little buzz and a vibes. So we have some ice and we have lemon, and I'm actually squeezing some of the lemon juice in the cup too. And we're gonna have some shandy. Yes, ginger beer flavored shandy. But guess what now? This shandy is super sweet. I had one the other day in a pig. Me and Josh. It's super sweet. So I'm gonna put half shandy and I'm gonna add some water and the lime. Yeah. Balance the thing, you see me? Wow, your water them can done quickly?
Yes, I'm not one in there.
Alright, so add a little bit of water. Alkalines water. Ginger beer remix.
Saturday night dinner, you turn up, you know, man. Me I tell you, no. Eh? My cabbage crunch slaw and a whole fish for myself with peppered shrimp. And of course, you know, we have to have a beverage. Yes, we look a beverage. That is some shandy. No sugar added shandy. Look at that. Yes, Yardie Belly TV. Check out the Vlogmas. Check out the Vlogmas. It is going to take life. Remember.
Alright guys, so we're gonna dig in now. Oh yeah, we do eat out of paper plates sometimes. So you're gonna learn a lot about us from the vlogs that you won't learn about us on the tutorials. So yeah, we're gonna call it an evening, just have a relaxing evening and watch some movies, rest and recoup for tomorrow. So catch you on tomorrow's one for Vlogmas Day 4.